Go vote for them. So Sharia law not come concern for my land. Is it possible? It's not possible. It never done and it can never be done. It never done and it can never be done. So they should forget it. Thank you for that question. When you see Tinubu, Shetima, Muslim ticket, they say because of they want in the future Sharia law will be implicated in the southeast and southwest. You see, let's not be frank with ourselves. No matter what's happened, no matter what's go up and come down, Sharia law can never be implicated in the southeast or southwest. In southeast or southwest, it can never be implemented because they are not Hausa land. See, everybody gets in your land, everybody gets in your region. Whereby you now say that it must be implemented in that social region. Let me say you want to Islamalize the whole region to become a Muslim Sharia law. You see, Tinubu and Shetima, they came with their own. If they like me, they say Hausa say they fail them with that. But we will say Tinubu, a regime, he failed totally the narrative of Nigeria. So, when we say the narrative of Nigeria, you see, Nigeria is suffering more than before under Tinubu. When Buhari was there, he said things never be like this. Things are not totally out of hand. It's like they are not in control, but they are there, they are confused. Now you are talking about Sharia law. Sharia law, let us put that one aside. That one can never exist. No matter how it be, it can never exist in southeast and southwest. Because it can be existing in the northern part of Nigeria. You see, that is not the language. The language we are talking about now, how is Nigeria going to be moving forward? Because Tinubu, what we are seeing now is favorable. Now you are not talking about Sharia. So maybe now after 2027 we talk about Sharia, because 2027 coming, Tinubu and Shetima will never be there anymore. Because their days are now, it's not number. Because of the casualty when Nigeria they face. Every day suffering and smiling. Today I see, say Dangote just slash fuel price, pump price. Every day you hear propaganda. The government, they are not qualified. Can say they are fumbling, they are wobbling and fumbling. See now you have to rush it now. I won't say now don't say Tinubu don't stab them for back. He stab all the whole Nigeria for back. See, there are days I keep on telling you it's not bad. Nobody will keep for APC back. See now what we are seeing in the future is that Labour Party, it will be PDP, APC. We now know three of them. APC is the baddest and the worstest. Come 2027, they will pack their baggage and leave Asorock. They must leave Asorock. See where Erufai say one person like this, you don't go for Tinubu or not. You will do for South, you will for East. You don't go open your eyes, they drink garri with sunshine 24 hours every day. You can't survive every day. Can you now continue with that same hardship and say you want to go and scream for their back? Now they are not trying to bring illegality of law when the corporate Sharia must be implicated or put in your dormant. Is it possible? It's not possible. Let's not be frank with ourselves. They should go back to the drawing board and let the reality come to pass. Nigeria never experienced this kind of different talk when they get meaning. It talk no have meaning. Can you just say, okay, what did you say in the beginning? That in the beginning, Nigeria go be this one, Nigeria go be this one, Nigeria go be this one. 3 months, Boko Haram go, food go day, this one go day. Now, all of them now propaganda. They are brainwashed. Now our eye don't open. We can't follow them anymore. We have decided now to follow the reality of the reality. They are fake. They are complete fake. Whether Muslim or no Muslim, they are fake. Shetima and Tinubu, they came. We saw the koro, they will go. Yesterday there was a meeting, they say they give vote of confidence. Vote of confidence to who? How many of them? Are they more than 100,000? To now control 200 million Nigeria. Did you see the gap? Now we don't tire to carry any more of their shit. Now is the time to tell them, say, enough is enough. Whether Sharia or no Sharia, it can't exist here and it can't exist in Southwest. Not maybe the face on them. That is their own agenda, not our agenda. Our agenda is Christianity. We are not Islamic. You know, they will not bring any law that will try to Islamize Nigeria. Tinubu should open an eye. We don't agree with them because now the grand language they bring, but Nigeria don't wise enough to say, hey, don't be like that. No matter the situation, we not go follow, and we are not going to follow.
If you really look, you see that for this Fulani's header, you think that from the way they talk with confidence that Tinubu don't disappoint them. You not think say Tinubu don't and Shetima don't sign agreement with them. Say they go legalize Sharia law for Southwest and Southeast. That's why they say Tinubu, because Tinubu never talk or do anything as regards this. That's why they disappoint.
See, according when you see their body language, you see maybe there is agreement of the ground that they sign because before they will come outside be talking boldly, but notwithstanding whether they sign agreement or they no sign agreement. Me and you no sign agreement. You understand? Me and you no sign agreement. If they want to bring that language, me and you no sign agreement. They feel sign agreement because they be ekbekegbe. They hear say ekbekegbe na bad society. So they could be ekbekegbe. They send the agreement with themselves, but now the agreement no manifest. They are not crying, but now notwithstanding, we no follow them. See, 2027, if another one break and say no, nothing else to go for, we would already know say this present administrative, they are not going to continue with us. They are not going to continue because they know just straightforward. They suffer in Nigeria for one side. I also say that they suffer. All of us they suffer. Well, that Sharia law is one of the bitterness that no one here for Southeast and Southwest. It's a negative talk. They maybe they don't bring them, and it can't stand. Tinubu should go and know the agreement when do with them. They can go suffer because Nigeria don't even want to hear whether agreement or no agreement. Nigeria don't even want to see them anymore. Nigeria is just waiting for 2027. Maybe they pack their package and go because we don't tire to hear any of their talk. Every day, talk. No answer, no action. Talk now we want chop. We can't chop talk now. Tinubu don't fail. Woefully. Don't be saying no. Tinubu don't get A, don't get B, don't get C, don't get D. You don't get W. Can you imagine that kind of statement? And you're a president, every day you see people increase. You see somebody when don't care for the masses of a nation. How does this call one? So be they put you there. Okay, now people put you there now. Okay, now they buy them say they don't do Sharia. Sharia now they know, but we don't already decide. Me and you don't decide. All Nigeria don't decide. See, nobody will stand for their back. That's the end of discussion. They have nowhere to be found anymore.
But we've seen, these people, these Sharia people, or the Fulanis, elders, you see, say they don't come out with different method of say they want to open grazing, to ranching, to even water bill. They want pass different law, but this thing never come and work. You know, to say that's why they get frustrated.
They must be frustrated because that deal has been exposed. See, when you have been exposed when Buhari was there, he said there was a law, open grace. He said the whole farm for the whole Nigeria land upon the invasion of Nigeria farm, killing Nigeria, raping our women, destroying our crops, killing us unnecessary. You see, want to sign a open grace law. And then when Nigeria come outside and voice, he will run. So now nobody will just come for your place, come to your land and say, implicate Sharia law. Who be Sharia? Who you be? Where you come from? You be spirit, you be one be. They will chase you out. Now you are freedom now for us to chase any illegality out because we the hungry with the verse. Everybody hungry, everybody very, everybody start on the truth that you know that will protect your people. Who know the way they hold that one and small. They will hold all of us. Can they hold all of us? Is it possible to hold all of us? It's impossible. You can't hold all of us. Now we don't know say yes, your agenda is not exposed. So we eliminate all. We are Christian, we are not demon. We are God sent. We are from God. See, we are not killers. Somebody that will cheer a pregnant woman one side, we pick for inside belly. Then one more will go follow. We not be follow them. It's impossible. No matter their trick, we will chase them out. It can't happen. It can never happen. Okay, and the president body language will say, if it's time, they go banish him. They go banish him. He wouldn't for a house and the hot. He also say implication in policy is a disaster to his whole community, because of the generality of Nigeria. If they woefully say want to bring more suffering, do you know me of Sharia? They will not tie you for everywhere, control your household. We are wise enough for it. It's not allowed.
So what do you think the governors and the politicians in the southwest and southeast, what do you think say they do right now as the gas?
See, they should gang up against that illegality law. They should gang up and against and push it out. Otherwise, they themselves will be pushed out. They will have nowhere to be found. They will have nowhere to be found. But now they have the capacity and the power to say, no, it's not allowed in my environment. Because my environment is my environment. My environment is different from your environment. So what my environment needs It's what they need from millions of years ago. Don't try to bring any inferior complex on here. Everybody will lose. So they have to think reality against tomorrow. Tomorrow. Because today is already seen. Tomorrow will never shine. But maybe they do reality. Not going to make tomorrow be good for them and for us. Otherwise, they will run away. They will run away. And who will accept them? And the Fulani herdsmen will accept them, go slaughter them. So they have to think twice and do the right thing in the right time.
But for the Fulani, but do you not think that just like as the Fulanis now they talk, do you not think say if Tinubu not really come out, try help them implement this thing, they not go vote for him come 2027?
See, God will bless you. You talk about Tinubu come 2027. Tinubu days are no bad. We don't even want to hear all those kind of language because Tinubu himself, he will bad past them. So what are you saying? Say they go vote. They vote, they don't vote. We don't go vote. Except there's a dramatically change of policy when Nigeria will now feel the sense of belonging. I will not look okay. Now we are in democracy. Government for the people, by the people, for the people. Now it's only government by their cronies. We are not included. So that's why they don't care about our suffering. That's why we are saying, come 2027, their name will be cancelled. Their name will be cancelled. See, me and you can come outside tomorrow. And they go follow me and you. Because we don't tire for their talk. Their talk look get money. So what are they saying? And they go vote for Tinubu. They and Tinubu, let them go. Let them go. Because they don't have the interest of us. Okay, if you don't send Sharia law, and no go vote for them. So Sharia law don't come for my land. Is it possible? It's not possible. It never done and it can never be done. It never done and it can never be done. So they should forget it.
Nigeria has messed us up and continue to. Just yesterday, Alaba International Market was burned to the ground. And at the end of the day, the same Nigerian government will go and claim that land. They will not rebuild that market for the Igbos. Who are the occupants and the people that are dominating Alaba International Markets today are the Igbos that source money by themselves, for themselves, to build an empire for themselves.
Some of the pictures of the genocide that's been committed by the Nigerian government in Biafra land, and then this is the special report by Global Christian Relief about the extinction of the Christians, of the persecutions that we are having in Biafra land. So I want you to present this to our Congress lady. Okay.
I'll certainly pass this to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So let's.
Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I want to share with you one that's the normally say shall never and see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring the world closer to your doorstep. So there is every reason why you need to subscribe if you haven't, and do well to share our videos. From the little clip you watch is a diplomatic update from the United States of Biafra Foreign Affairs. The United States of Biafra government has intensified its awareness on the ongoing genocide against the Biafran people. From the video you just watched, from the little clip when she was presenting her story, she was presenting her evidence that this is what the federal government is doing to the people of Biafra. Now, listen to this.
Biafra is being restored. Biafra is being redeclared. So everybody is trying to be nice so that they will say at the end, we have apologized. Why did you decided, they have decided to take another bold step? Like we said, we don't want anything to do with Nigeria again. We are not interested in Nigeria again. Nigeria has messed us up and continue to. Just yesterday, Alaba International Market was burned to the ground. And at the end of the day, the same Nigerian government will go and claim that land. They will not rebuild that market for the Igbos. Who are the occupants and the people that are dominating Alaba International Markets today are the Igbos that source money by themselves, for themselves, to build an empire for themselves. And at the end of the day, the Nigerian government has the temerity to go and burn down their shops so that they can be able to grab the land. This is what they do to us. This is what they have been doing. And we are saying, whatever be the case, the only sorry that the Nigerian government will tell us and will accept it is by signing our documents on their table, signing the USB document that has been submitted by the government of United USB. That is the only pleas we are going to hear. That is the only sorry that we are going to hear by allowing us to go. And by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that has done nothing wrong to the federal government of Nigeria, that has won the same federal government of Nigeria in their own competent court of jurisdiction in Nigeria, in Abuja. So this is all our demand. Our demand is just very simple. Let us go, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and every Biafran agitator that you kidnapped unlawfully or arrested unlawfully and detained illegally in your DSS facilities and in all the prisons in Nigeria. This is our demand. Very simple and very easy. And now today, every country is quiet, despite the revelation that is being made by the former president of Nigeria, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. Today is out there in the public domain. The world is quiet. UN is quiet. The Human Rights Organization is quiet. The EU is quiet today. All they know how to do is to fight for our mineral resources, to guard our people when they speak up for themselves. When they speak up for their people, they will kidnap them, jail them unlawfully, if not to kill them. And at the end of the day, all they will come to tell us is, please, we are sorry that this has happened. I saw Bayo Ononuga ranting his mouth yesterday evening. A very stupid man indeed. A useless man from the pit of hell. That is who Bayo Ononuga is. The same Bayo Ononuga that told the Igbos that this should be their last time that they would participate in anything called election in Lagos State. And today is working with the drug lord in Abuja today. If it's not the security advisor, I don't know the position is in today in Abuja. If Nigeria was a working country, Bayo Ononuga today should have been detained for such comments, the regretful statement that he made. Like somebody said here today, a lady said here, that guns doesn't kill people. People kills people. And I want to use this opportunity, or the same thing that this woman said, to make a reference to an issue that happened in Lagos State in 2020. Lekki Toll Gate massacre. Who did that? Was it not the Nigerian military? Was it not the sitting president and the Lagos State former president, the present governor, and the present president of Nigeria today? And all these people are the leaders of today. When we were in secondary school and almost going to university, our parents will flog us each time they see us playing football game on our TV and tell us, oh, we are the leaders of tomorrow. We should go and study. If you don't study, you will end up being a conductor. Today is not the same. Today is not the case. In I remember in 1993, 1990 was 2003, yes. I remember when my father told me, if you don't study, you will end up being an area boy. And he took me by his vehicle, inside his vehicle, to Kirikiri prison and showed me where criminals are staying and people that used to go to school. I was so scared. I had to start going to school, going from one lesson to another because I never wanted to end up like those criminals that they call them in Kirikiri. But today, what is the case? Everybody, we have 2.6 million youth in Nigeria today that are jobless because we have some incompetent animals that feel that they are God over some people. After 2020, after 1966 genocidal war that was said to be in Zoguku, it turns out to be that it was not. And Igbos have been massacred. And our people is still going through that massacre today. And our people is still going through those depression today by the Nigerian system. And all they will come to tell us, oh, we should forgive them. That is what Bayo Ononuga is saying this evening. And you people should go and hear the annoying statement he made. These people can never stand in one place. They can never be. There is nothing truthful about them. Nothing is not. They can't tell you anything, and you go and check your clock, and it's the same. You go and check it, and it's the same. Look, leave Bayo Ononuga till maybe in 2 or 1 year time. Go back and listen to him again. He will contradict his statement by himself. That is the kind of people that they are. No wonder Tinubu, the person that his boss is ranked to be the number 3rd corrupt person in the world. And today, the world is listening to them. Finland is listening to such people that breed Boko Haram, that use the money that they are supposed to use to develop their country and give to the less privileged to breed Boko Haram. This is who Finland are listening to. By not allowing our Prime Minister to speak to us today, Alexander Stone thought he's doing a favor to Nigeria. The oil that they have promised you belongs to the Biafra. That is the biggest mistake you people made, because that oil would have been given to you at nothing. Even when Simon Ekpa was there. If this thing that you people never did it to our Prime Minister, this thing would have been negotiated within the Biafrans. An easy passage for you. But you have made it very difficult because of your greed and selfishness. I do not want to know what is happening now, but with the revelation that Donald Trump office has made, with the revelation that the Canadian embassy has made, should have been enough for Finland to have reacted up to it by now. But let us wait till next month and see what is going to come out of it, this whole thing. And that is where we are going to now start. Maybe we will match Finnish embassies and demand